Hey, what's up, guys? So, welcome to my newly created channel. There's nothing yet on my YouTube channel, but you can check it out after you watch my video. So, it's called My eToro Trader. So, this is our first vlog, and we will upload after our recording. So, anyway, what's all about my eToro trading? So this one is just to record my experiences of trading international markets because eToro is my first platform to try and trade in the especially US equities. So we'd like to go and ride together with our US traders, copy them. Well, because the US market is, as you can see now, it's on a super high, especially for S&P 500 is up more than almost 30% already, right? So if I'm not mistaken, it's around 27% for the year alone. It's been up because of the as you know, the AI, right? So NVIDIA related stocks, AI related stocks, and we're going to share to you what kind of news we learn each day or anytime we have some time to upload through good times and bad times. So we will try to look at what's happening in the US equities. So from time to time also we're going to monitor the crypto markets. So the crypto markets is currently under turmoil right now because of the MTGOX, right? So they've been paying cryptos in the form of Bitcoin Cash. So there's been a lot of pressure for Bitcoin, but as you can see now, it's starting to move up and go back to 60,000 level. Hope it goes up. Later on, we will try to trade also some crypto. But for now, my main focus is US equities, and we're using eToro platform for buying CFDs. Actually, we cannot buy um, those NVIDIA stocks if we use eToro. So here's my account for your reference. So we have a small amount here, more than 5K. So for our blog, so we'll use this as a reference. From time to time, I do put in some investments, and mainly I do what you call swing trades. So we put our stocks in few weeks, few days, and if we have some gains, we take it already. So we have a defined amounts. So later on, we'll share those strategies that we have. But for now, I'm focusing as well on S&P 500 stocks, those technology stocks, which might have some connection with AI because it's current trend, and that's where the market is going. So let's cross our fingers that our capital here is will be intact. If it has some drawdowns, I hope it doesn't take much from it. The market doesn't take much from it, and we can grow it. So later on for our next videos, I will show you my distribution for my portfolio. But as you can see here, so we have I haven't sold it yet, but we have around 300 USD gains. We're almost invested for the whole 5K, and we just have 400, more than 400 USD for our um, remaining capital to invest. Hope it grows more. Okay, so some of the stocks that I have is, of course, Nvidia. So we're really monitoring this one because it's a leader in the market as of now, right? So after the stock split last June 24, as you can see here, the boom stock by more than 10%. So it moved up to 14%, but then it had this very volatile pullback. I thought it was going to break down as well, but after 14% drop, it recovered already, and now it's currently up by more than 10%. So it's good for those who buy the split, right? So there's another stock, if you know Broadcom, another Abgo, another AI stocks, I think. So they will have another we will have another stock split here. So another 10 is to 1 stock split. So meaning it will be divided by 10. So the shares will be worth more than $170 after the stock split. Because now you cannot buy one share if your your capital is less than 1,728 USD, right? So, but in eToro, the advantage of eToro is you can buy fractions of that share. But it's as I said already, it's not the actual stocks, but these are contracts under eToro. Anyways, it looks like that, like a fraction of a share. So that's why they call it CFDs. So later on, we will discuss that one also. So I've been trading for quite some time, but for eToro, I did stop for more than a year because I suffered some losses at the start. I use as a first timer on eToro, I got excited with using leverage. So I got a very bad record. Later on, you will see that one also. I will share to you. And I want to explore most of the features of eToro because I've just used the buy and sell options. I've never checked any other related tools, but they got a lot of tools here. So we can see later on. I will explain more on that. Okay, so if you want to see my portfolio, please subscribe to my eToro Trader channel. Well, hope you'll be the first one to subscribe here, and we will show you the details of our report. And from time to time, we will post what happens to our portfolio and any news that we get from these uh, AI stocks or any stocks that we're monitoring. So we'll try to share to you as well, including our simple strategies that we're going to use later on. Okay, so I have a target here, sell for 187 for AMD, another AS stock. Hopefully it moves past 187 because currently it's under the resistance level. Okay, so hopefully that sums up all our introduction, and hope you subscribe to our channel. So let's grow our portfolio together. Thanks.